Hey guys, it's Dima from DimusTech, and today we're checking some cool features on the mobile Chrome. So probably most of you know that if you go to Chrome and write flip a coin, it will actually go ahead and flip a coin. And right now it's tails, as you can see. But not all of you probably know that if you actually press here, you have other tools that you can call out as well. You have games and toys and you have tools. So you have regular calculator, and if we'll go back, we also have a spinner. Well, it's a spinner for numbers, but you can actually use it for hard decisions, for example, and instead of numbers you can actually use regular spinner as well, if you would like. And if that's not enough, we have more. So you can roll a dice. Now there are multiple types of dice, and as you can see, the regular is pretty much... Okay, so we got 4, my lucky number actually, and if we'll go here, we can see that we have a color picker. So those of you who are in need of some color in hex or something like that, so you can pick the color and actually use that. Sadly, it would be awesome if they could actually scan a specific color with the camera here, but I don't see such an option here. And we also have some other stuff. We have a metronome and we have a bubble leveler. Let's go to the bubble leveler. Now my phone isn't flat right now, it's actually pointing to the camera, but if we'll move it like that, you can see that it moves, and that's pretty cool. So we also have, as I said, the metronome, and let's set it to high for a second. As you can see, we have a metronome. You can change the BPM. Those are pretty much all the tools. You have also games and toys. So you have a pac-man, a tic-tac-toe. I'm going to go through all of those, but yeah, there are quite a few. It's kind of nice. Let's go to pac-man just for a moment. Some nostalgia. And yeah, it actually opens up the whole pac-man, and oh wow, even with the sounds, that's cool. Honestly, I'm not going to play. Okay, maybe I will. Oh, as you can see, I'm pretty bad at it, but yeah. But you get the idea. So those are pretty cool tools that you can use right away if you're online. If you're offline, I'm pretty sure they won't work, but I didn't try them. If they're offline, you can always play the Chrome Dino game. Those are just cool toys and games and tools that you can use on the way without actually installing any app or anything right from your Chrome browser. It should work on any phone since it's inside the Chrome browser, but keep in mind that I haven't tested it on many phones, just on the Note 10. Yeah, I actually tried the Note 10 and the Pixel and the OnePlus 5T. So for those it will work for sure. For others I didn't test that, but it should work since it's inside Chrome, so I believe there won't be any issue, because some other videos that I made about the Android Pie hidden sort of painting tool, so people say that it doesn't work for everyone. Pretty much most of you said that it doesn't work for them, some say it does. Sorry guys for that. Again, as I said, I had no way to test it on all the phones, and guys, stop calling it fake or something. It's just not available on all the phones. Now that one should be available on all the phones. Thank you for watching this DimusTech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.